Welcome guys, today I moved this JBL Under Armour Flash earbuds and I will show you how you can pair them with your laptop. So first of all we have to open the case, so push it like that, take them out of the case, and as you can see indicators are blinking, and after a few seconds the right one, the right one will start blinking on the red and the blue, like that. It means that we are in the pairing mode, they are visible to other devices. If this pairing mode is not activated automatically, you can boot them manually to the pairing mode by holding on the right headphone this Under Armour button until it will start blinking like that. Okay, right now just put them close. Okay, that's so weird. Something with my laptop, I guess. Okay, right now it's working. Never mind, so put them close to your laptop, don't put them back to the case, and smoothly move to the settings where you can find the Bluetooth device settings. Alright, now when you're here, click to add the device and select the Bluetooth. They will pop on the list after a few seconds, don't worry, here they are. Select them, and right now we are connected. As you can see, that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.